Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: abstract classes and abstract methods in Java. So first of all, we'll start with abstract classes and abstract methods, and we'll try to implement that in the form of a Java program. So coming to the concept of abstract classes and abstract methods. Okay, so first of all, this concept is related to abstraction in object-oriented programming. Okay, so this concept is related to abstraction in object-oriented programming. So what is abstraction? Hiding unnecessary things in a class and exposing only necessary things of a class. So hiding unnecessary things in a class and exposing necessary things of a class is known as abstraction. Okay, so things means here members of a class. So members means data members and methods. Okay, so this concept is related to abstraction in object oriented programming. Okay, right, so now abstract here means incomplete. Okay, so incomplete or non-concrete. Fine, so this is a general English meaning of abstract. Okay, so abstract means incomplete or non-concrete. Right, so let us start with first abstract methods. Okay, abstract methods. So methods with body are called complete methods. Are called complete methods or concrete methods. So methods which have body in the program are called as complete methods or concrete methods. Example, void m1 method. Okay, m1 method with a body definition is called complete method. Now then, what are abstract methods? Methods without a body, only declaration. So methods without a body are called as incomplete methods or non-concrete methods. Okay, so that is only declaration of method. Example goes like this: void m2 semicolon. So this m2 method does not have a body, it becomes a incomplete method. So incomplete methods are declared with abstract keyword. Okay, they are declared with abstract, okay, keyword. Right, example, abstract void m2. So this is what is, we call it as abstract method or incomplete method or non-concrete method. Okay, so such methods are called abstract methods. incomplete methods or non-concrete methods. So this is what is all about abstract methods. Methods without a body and declared with abstract keyword. Okay, right. So now let us understand what are abstract classes. Okay, abstract classes. Okay, a class with at least one abstract method is called abstract class. So a class which contains at least one abstract method is called abstract class, right? So they are also called as incomplete classes or non-concrete classes. Incomplete classes or non-concrete classes. Okay, so for example, class A. Now inside that we'll take two data members, int x comma y, void m1. So m1 method will have a body. So this is a complete method. Okay, and then we'll take one abstract method, abstract void m2. So this is a abstract method. So you should have at least one incomplete method, abstract method. Then that class becomes abstract class. So for abstract classes, abstract keyword is compulsory while defining a class. Hence, abstract class A. Okay. So for defining abstract classes, abstract keyword is compulsory. Okay, right. So this is what is abstract class. Now, one important point here, abstract classes cannot be instantiated. Okay, so instantiated means no object creation. So we cannot create an object of abstract class. Okay, because it is incomplete class. Okay, so incomplete class object cannot be created. We'll get a incomplete product, incomplete object. Okay, example. So this is very important point. A, obj1 new A. So for this we'll get the error. Abstract class object cannot be instantiated. Okay, right. So then how to make use of abstract class? So how to make use of abstract class? Okay, right. So abstract class is made use with inheritance. Okay, that is subclass. Okay, right. So important point here, in that subclass redefine all the abstract methods of base abstract class. Okay, then only subclass becomes complete class and its object can be created. Okay, otherwise, okay, so let us try to understand this first. So in the subclass of the abstract class, we have to redefine all the abstract methods of the base abstract class, then only subclass becomes complete class and its object can be created. Okay, so in subclass of abstract class, if abstract methods are not redefined, okay, if they are not refined, then subclass also becomes abstract class and its object cannot be created. So this is what is subclass of abstract class. So let us try to work with this. Example goes like this. Class B extends A. Okay, right? So let us take here int P comma Q, right? So from base class X, Y, M1 method, which is complete method, is also inherited. Okay, and M2 method, which is incomplete method, is also inherited. So what we'll do is in subclass we'll take PQ void M3, which is complete method. Okay, and we will redefine M2 method here. Okay, so void M2, give the definition. So redefine abstract method M2 in subclass. Okay, so now class B becomes complete class with X, Y, M1, M2 is complete now, and P, Q, M3. Okay, so now subclass B is complete class and its object can be created. Okay, example B obj2 new B, and using obj2, okay, we can access X, we can access Y, we can access M1 method, and we can also access M2 method of base class. So these are base class members X, Y, M1, M2. Okay, so similarly we can also access using obj2. Okay, not obj1, obj2, we can access P, we can access Q, we can access M3 method. So these are subclass own members, own data members and methods P, Q, M3. So this is how we have to make use of a abstract class, by doing subclass or inheritance and redefining all the methods so that subclass becomes complete class and we can create the object of subclass and access base class members and subclass members. Right, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Abstract class example1 dot Java. Program to define abstract class and use it with subclass. So let us take a new page. First we'll take the comments. So let us take class A. Now inside class A we'll take two data members int X comma Y. Okay, and then we'll take void M1 method and we'll take abstract void M2. Okay, now since it contains at least one abstract method, class A, compulsory we have to use abstract keyword for definition. So in abstract classes and abstract method, abstract keyword is compulsory. Okay, right. So now let us take class B extends A. So this is a subclass for abstract class. Okay, subclass for abstract class. Now here we'll take, okay, PQ M3 method, and then here we'll also give definition for M2 method. Okay, right. Now subclass becomes complete class because M2 method is redefined here. Okay, so abstract method M2 from base class is redefined. So subclass becomes complete class. Okay, so now take the main class, abstract class example 1 with main method, public static void main string of args. Right, so let us save this program in our working directory. So save it as abstract class example1 dot java. Right, so now let us give proper definition for M1. Okay, so here we'll say system dot out dot println abstract class A. Okay, and then we'll display the values of x and y. X value plus x, and then y value plus y. So similarly, we'll also give definition for proper definition for M3. So here we'll say it as subclass B, and we'll display the value P plus P, Q plus Q, and then here we'll say a small message M2 method which is redefined in the subclass. Okay, so M2 method is redefined in subclass B. Okay, right, I'll write it here as abstract M2 method is redefined in subclass B. Right, so now come to the main class, main method. Just create an object of subclass B obj2 new P. Okay, right, so save this, but before that we'll try to create an object of abstract class A obj1 new A. For this we should get the error. Open the command prompt, go to your working directory, compile the program, java c abstract class example 1.java. Okay, we have line 16 error PQ. Okay, right, save it, recompile. Right, so now A is abstract, cannot be instantiated, means we cannot create an object of abstract class. Right, so now just put a comment for this. Okay, right, save it, recompile, no error. Right, so now using obj2 will access all the members of the class. So let us take the same example, obj2.x obj2.y m1 m2 method. Okay, so obj2.x will give it as 10, obj2.y will give it as 20. Call m1 method, m2 method which is redefined in the subclass, and then subclass own members obj2.p 100, obj2.q 200 and call m3 method. Okay, so this is how we are making use of abstract class with subclass B and redefining all the abstract methods, and then subclass become complete class, its object can be created. Right, save it, come to the command prompt, recompile, no error, and run it. Okay, right, so here we'll give one message also. Okay, so system dot out dot println, we'll give it as base class members, just for our understanding. And similarly these are subclass members. Right, save it, recompile, and run. Okay, right, so using the subclass of abstract class, which is class B obj2 object, we can access base class members x, y, m1, m2, and we can also access subclass members pq, m3 method. So this is how we are supposed to work with abstract class and its subclass. So one small important point here. In abstract classes and abstract methods, okay, abstract keyword is compulsory. Okay, otherwise we get error. Okay, right, and in subclass of abstract class, redefine all abstract methods, otherwise subclass also becomes abstract class. Okay, so when subclass also becomes abstract class, no object creation for subclass. So let us try to get this point in the program. Okay, right, so for example in class B, let us put a comment for m2 method definition. Okay, so from base class x, y, m1 method, which is complete method, are inherited to subclass along with m2 method, which is an abstract method, is also inherited. Now subclass also contains abstract method. Okay, it is not redefined in the subclass, so we'll get a error, and subclass also becomes abstract class. Right, so compile the program. Right, so here we are not redefining abstract method m2 from class A, so subclass also becomes abstract class. Okay, right, so the error goes like this here: B is not abstract and does not override abstract method, okay, m2 from base class A. Right, so compulsory we have to redefine the methods, otherwise we have to define class B as abstract class. If we define class B as abstract class, then we cannot create the object of class B in main method. We'll get the error. Okay, so this is another problem, another error. Right, so anyhow we'll give the definition of m2 method in subclass B, recompile, no error. Next, we'll remove the abstract keyword for void m2 in abstract class A. Recompile, we'll get the error. So missing method body, okay, for M2 method, declare that as abstract. So abstract keyword is compulsory. So similarly, if we remove abstract keyword for class A, then also we'll get the error, right? So A is not abstract, does not override M2 method in class A. Okay, so it means that we have one abstract method here, so declare it as abstract class A. Recompile, no error, run it. Right, so this is how we are supposed to work with abstract classes, abstract methods in Java program. So technically they are incomplete classes, incomplete methods. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.